Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So we're going out to do some grocery shopping today. And dadaan tayo sa post office para mag-deliver ng mga items. And also dadaan din tayo sa tip nila dito. Kasi nung nakarang araw, yesterday or no, 2 days ago, was it? I can't remember, but I did do some decluttering.
Let's go.
My hands is full. Can you please open the door for me? Meron din akong i-return na item. Thank you. Yan. Are we just going to Tesco? Yeah. So, sa Tesco lang tayo. Hindi na tayo pupunta sa Aldi. So, ngayon, meron akong trabaho ngayon. 3:30 to 9:30. And, after that, I am off for 2 days. Supposedly, today is Wednesday. I'm not working. But last week, I was asked if I can do any extra shift. So, since I am on holiday tomorrow, I did take an extra today, which is, kung nalaman ko lang, if only I knew I am having cold, I will not do any extra shift. But well, I did put my name, so
well, that's it. Self-inflicted.
Self-inflicted. Did you lock the door? Aye.
4 degrees. No wonder it's freezing.
Yeah, it's 4 degrees today.
So they finish this wall down there.
It's finished. It's finished. The wall. Yeah. We're here. Nandito na kami sa post office. There you go, sweetheart.
There's a one down there somewhere, isn't there?
Ayan. Ask for proof of posting, please.
I always get through the posting for the returns. Everything's packed up again.
Steps. Yung step niya, hindi siya nag-deploy. Ako. Alam, meron na silang Christmas tree dito, mga palangga. Yan. Maganda yan tingnan. If gabi kasi nakailaw yan lahat. Nakailaw siya ngayon, pero mas makikita talaga yung ano niya, kagandahan pag gabi.
See, like a good husband, he does his duties, he brings a proof of posting.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So now where are we going? Are we going to tip first or to the grocery store?
No, we go to the tip first.
Yeah.
And then
Oo, mukhang close yung tip. Disposal Recycling Center. It's closed.
What?
Yeah.
Why is it closed?
Malaki yung recycling center nila dito.
Well, that's bloody good, isn't it?
Bad timing.
We'll all crop it back. We'll go shopping together.
What time? They open anyway.
It's 10 o'clock now.
Yeah.
Well, we'll come back this way and see, yeah.
We'll do shopping first and we'll come back again.
Yeah, just see where they opens up.
Yeah, because it could be a bit early.
10 o'clock is normally open.
Could be 10:30.
Grey.
We are here in Tesco. There, yung Tesco.
What's it say on that bin? The brown.
The brown.
The grey bin, it's got a brown thing.
I need to have a look, honey. My eyes is not the best now. Yung Tesco, they also have a recycling bin. But we don't know kung ano yung mga tinatanggap nila. Newspapers, cardboards. So ito yung recycling bin nila dito sa Tesco. Yan. Itong gray is for plastic, mixed cans, newspaper, magazines. Yan. Ang cute. I like this. Maliit na Christmas tree. Pwede yan sa table. Iniwan ako ni Mr. Vlog pa more. You left me.
It'll be taking too long if it's freezing.
Yeah, it's freezing. Bananas.
Okay.
This is very big.
Yeah. One of them.
Oh, you're having pasties for tonight? He asked me what we're having tonight, and then he realized that I am not at home because I am working. Sorry, you can get a pizza. Honeybee?
No.
Hala, oy, napapatunog yung Tesco copyright. We're looking for braising steak.
This guy's big, isn't it?
Beef casserole steak.
Yeah, well that's what I saw last time, but
That should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. Right. Shall we go to the other department, or do we need ham?
Well, no, we've cooked one, we've still got whole ones. So.
Right. We're going here.
The shells are there. Look.
Oh, it's bare. I really like that jumper, the pink one.
I don't.
How much is it now? 20 pounds.
After Christmas, it'll be 75% off. Yeah, Christmas card.
Shall I put this in our trolley?
No.
His face. I like that. Pero ayaw ni Mr. Hindi ko dala yung card ko ngayon. We need to pick some card for his son
I need to get that for my wife.
and
Oh, like that one.
his daughter-in-law. Are you picking card now for me?
No.
Don't be ridiculous. And also we
Should be
need
the same
to...
logo. Right.
It's your daughter-in-law, isn't it?
No, we're not married.
Well,
We're not married.
she is your daughter-in-law.
Can we put
We need to look for Mama's card. Fabulous wife. Am I fabulous wife?
Secret.
Christmas pudding. Can you not make your own Christmas pudding?
No, you just need to make them ages ago. Like Christmas cakes, you need to mature.
Does your mama knows how to make a Christmas pudding?
Yeah.
Come on, you can't help yourself. Bibili sana ako ng mga Christmas decoration. Pero, nakita nyo naman, empty yung shelves ng Tesco. And, nakalimutan ko maghanap ng Christmas tree skirt. Whew!
Fresh, isn't it?
It's fresh. It looks like it's gonna rain again.
Oh, shower, there we go.
Traffic dahil dito highway maintenance.
I'll have to wait till it's coming. Regardless. Take no prisoners.
We're not gonna go to the tip again because we look in their website and they are closed Tuesday and Wednesday, and the rest of the day they're open 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thursday to Monday.
Yeah.
Those Tuesdays and Wednesdays. If we'd only known. Yeah, I brought loads of change to the post office and we use a lot of it.
How much did you pay for the post office anyway? £2 something? 11 o'clock na dito. Yung mga aso sumisigaw na. Nearly dinner time na kasi nila. Sayang talaga ay nakalimutan kong tumingin. See if they have a Christmas tree skirt. But anyway, next time na lang.
Excuse me.
What's wrong with you? What's your word?
Alright, you pick it up.
Can you please?
Oh.
Thank you. Bumili ako nito, itong pinini. Masarap to. Dadalhin ko yung isang bread sa trabaho. So, I'm just gonna put the groceries away. And, yeah. Malapit na tayo mag-lunch. So, magla-lunch kami after this. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Ah, dear. Ilalagay muna niya yung mga rubbish bin sa building. Ang kati ng lalamunan ko. One thing I forgot. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng fresh lemon. Pero okay lang yan kasi meron naman tayong lemon juice dyan. So anyway, bumili kami ng Christmas card sa Tesco. Ito yung nabili namin na Christmas card sa Tesco. Yan. Ito para to sa anak ni Jan at sa girlfriend ng anak ni Jan. Ang nakalagay dito, for the two of you at the Christmas. Naghahanap kasi kami ng Christmas card na for the son and the daughter-in-law, pero wala sila. Ang nahanap lang namin is ano ba yun? Daughter and son-in-law. So, hindi pwede. And ito, para sa mama niya. Ito. Wonderful, ma'am. Maganda. May pa window effect dito at may malaking bow. At ito, para to sa pinagtatrabahoan ko. Yan. Yan lang. Isa lang yung ibibigay ko. Last year, sa pinagtatrabahoan ko, 2 yung binigay ko for the staff and for the residents. Pero ngayon, isa lang. Kasi wala na tayong budget. I-prepare ko lang yung pinini ko na dadalhin ko sa trabaho. Diyan kayo muna, ha? Yan. Isa lang yung dadalhin ko. And yung isa, kakainin ko ngayong lunch. And yung dalawa, para kay Jan. Sobrang soft. So it means fresh.
What's going on here?
I'm making my tea. Can you please cut this for me? Into thin slices, please, honey. Thank you.
You need more?
I'm fine. It's fine. Thank you.
Do that out.
I will add a little bit of salad cream. Just a little bit. Iiwain ko siya into 3 slices. There you go. Lalagyan ko na din ng butter yung bread ni Jan. Umuulan na naman ay. Ayop lang talaga yung ilog. Hindi siya umapaw. I want mine to be very thin.
This is thin. Is it not thin? That's definitely thin.
Where is mine? That's
a
mine.
thin, eh? That's a thin, eh? That's a fat, eh? Bring out the Branston.
You know what? John used to have a chicken sandwich every dinner. Every dinner. And his son used to ask him, "Are you not getting bored eating chicken sandwich?"
No.
And he said no. And now I finally change
She
him.
makes me eat salty ham now.
Don't give me that, honey. Because seriously, that chicken sandwich is boring.
Oh, what's happened to this?
Oh, not again.
Looks like again. I don't know if I'll do this, you know.
Huh?
You need some picking there.
Oo. Tingnan nyo kung ano yung nangyari.
Hot cross bun. You don't like those, do you?
No, I don't like hot cross buns.
Do you want one?
No, I'm fine, thank you. I'm having yogurt actually. Bubuksan natin yung 11 na item natin. Is it 11 or 12? 12. Bubuksan natin yung pang 12 na item natin. Saan ba yung 12? There. Ano na naman kaya to? Dalawa na! I have one already. Yan. Meron akong ganito, pero gustong-gusto ko to, so hindi ko muna i-open para naman once na matapos na yung isang ganito ko, marami pa, sobrang iwan ko kung kailan pa yun mauubos, pero yeah, or ibibigay ko na lang siguro to. Yeah, baka ibibigay ko na lang to sa kaibigan ko. So yun yung pang 12 natin ng item. Before ako aalis sa trabaho, maghuhugas muna ako ng plato. Kasi meron pa dito mga plato na ginamit namin kanina sa lunch. It's a bit early. The time here is 2:24 in the afternoon and my shift start at 3:30. Pero I want to be early kasi dadaan ako sa butchers and gagawa din ako ng care plan. Kasi after this one, I am off for 2 days. And Saturday, Sunday, 3 hours lang ako. Oh. Huwag kalimutan yung baon. Nagawa ko na yan many times. Ilalagay ko dito, tas maiiwan ko lang dyan. Ilalak ko yung pinto. Si Mr. nandoon siya sa workshop at pag umaalis ako sa trabaho, nilalak ko yung pinto at then ay! Natuluan ako ng ginaw. Nag-run through siya sa dito ko sa neck. So, ibibigay natin yung susi. Then, magpapaalam tayo kay Mr. para punta ng trabaho. He's busy doing his Range Rover. There you go, that's the key.
Okay.
Right, I'm going, sweet.
Right, okay. See you later.
Bye-bye! See you later, Han!
Okay.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Watch out, Han! I might have delivery.
What delivery?
I've ordered something for my Secret Santa. You go now. You go inside. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hihintayin pa sana niya ako na makaalis. Maginaw sa labas. Huh. Ako naman. Are you ready? Feels like it's been a while. 4 degrees. I hope lang talaga yung butchers hindi busy. I hope park ako sa butchers. Oops, yung bag ko tumilapon. So, ang lakas ng ulan. So, nandito na ako sa harap ng butchers. Hindi naman sa harap, pero yung butchers nasa harapan ko at nasa gilid ako nakapark. Magtatanong lang ako. Naku! That's it. I am sorted. So, na-order ko na. So, ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa ating patutunguhan. Spaces. Nakakainis pag wala. Kasi kailangan kong mag-reverse. It's busy. It's looking busy. Yeah, it's busy. Ako, busy. Saan ko ba? Pa-part 2. I just gonna go in there. Abandon it. Is it fine this one here? I'm not sure. Can you go up? Kaya ayaw kong magtrabaho sa ganitong oras kasi yung car park puno. Ayop lang talaga itong sasakyan na nandito sa harapan ko. I think he can get out. See? Oh dear.
A few moments later.
It's a buzzer. Pasko na dito sa aking pinagtatrabahoan. Tingnan nyo yung stair nila. Yan. Nandito rin. Puno ng dekorasyon. There. Yan. And yung lounge nila. Ipapakita ko sa inyo saglit. Kasi nakatayo na rin yung Christmas tree nila. Ito. Yan. There. Nagpaalam ako sa manager ko kung pwede ba mag-film. Sabi niya, pwede naman. Basta wala daw yung mga resident. So, yun lang yung maipapakita ko sa inyo.